Wake up, little bird, it's time to flex those little wings. Before you go, let me tell you something good to know. As the wind carries you over oceans and through mountains, keep your eyes wide open to the dreary wilderness. Don't let it pull you down. Come morning, lift up your voice. Come morning, fly high. If you remain unchained, if you stay uncaged, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. What will really carry you are the wings of seraphim. Mount up, take a dive, then let yourself arrive. When you're broken and tired, find your nest and rest your head in the shadow of eagle wings. Come morning, lift up your voice. Come morning, fly high. If you remain unchained, if you stay uncaged, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. Little bird, little bird,